14,420 coins on $156, $16,153 here. Friends, new topic on this YouTube channel. Let's cover how we make money and analyze our trading days, what trade we took, what was volume in the position, and where we make money and whether we made a mistake. Let's analyze this trading day. When we made $988, we took 3 trades, and let's cover what the reasons. Let's open those trades deeply inside and each of them to see what's going on. This story was a few days ago when we traded breakout on Ethereum. Let me show to you what was the major reason why we traded here. A few days ago, Ethereum were in this beautiful upward channel, and here was a trade breakout of this channel to continue this uptrend. What was the major reason why we took it? Not because of this uptrend, but there was something really way better. We took a trade here at retest of this local high because my friend, let me show to you, because someone opened this significant volume in this position. As you can see, someone bought 14,420 coins on Ethereum spot, and quite often such volume become really significant support and resistance. This trade, as you can see, I took volume 35,000, and here was a loss $156 because this trade wasn't successful. But as you can see, we didn't surrender, and within few minutes, when I saw that additionally someone bought on futures market this significant amount of coins, here it is a 16,000. I decided that buy is really powerful, and we reopened our position. As you can see, this one, we reopened our position, and after that have a look how Ethereum pumped really well. And as you can see here, we took 2.3% of movement, and but Ethereum in the end rose nearly 12%. That means I could make 5 times more in this trade that I made. Just for curiosity reason, write in the comments how much I made in this trade. Put a pause, for me it's interesting to see. Also remember to push like, subscribe, and below this video there will be info about our trading strategy. You can use our materials to also use all of these tools and start making money. Download, all info will be in description. And that's example for you. We made $1,153 here. Position size was 50,000. How position size, how this volume works? When you open position, for example, you put 50k, and when you close, you also close with 50k. That's why it is open close. That's why volume doubles. Always divide this number by half, and you have a real actual number. And that's just example for you how significant volume on a spot really works, and how price pumped really well during the day. They did 7%. That's example for you when you have good trend, when you have good pattern, and when you have order flow, when you have significant buyer, you can see what happens. Yes, as you can see, my first trade didn't give me take profit. That's a reality of trading, that sometimes you will have stop losses before you make a trade. That's why my friend, your profit must be always in several times bigger than your loss. That's it. And you will never have 100% win rate. I never saw 100% win rate. By the way, also a free lesson about this strategy I will add into a card's description. You will watch after this analysis. And the last trade, third trade, it was on a Ripple. What was the major reason why we took the trade? On a Ripple, you can see here, significant volume entered on Ripple, and it is a pattern, we call it knife or fake out. Someone got liquidated. How this stuff works, a lot of people in a range build long position. To get out from their longs by stop losses, they sell. And because of that, quite often price reverse from it. You can see here how after this significant delta, price did exactly beautiful reversal. And honestly, I wasn't exactly at my work desk when this happened. That's why I didn't take a trade exactly at bottom. And that's why I waited. Sometimes what they do, sometimes they do liquidation, after that local low and pump more. That's why I waited for additional volume that appears here and decided to take long to take this higher high. And Ripple, as you can see exactly where I took a low, it was really close to a bottom, because it is, as you can see, 5-minute time frame. That means 15 minutes price were here, and after that did this beautiful rise. Honestly, here I wasn't lucky enough because you can see that Ripple didn't take all these highs and drop before that. And that's example for you when sometimes I'm not lucky, because at high there wasn't any significant volume to consider it a solid reversal. That's why sometimes, as you can see, exit, it is also important as entry. My volume in that position were 10,000, and at high, when price did this rise, at high I could make, here I saw more than 300 USD of profit. That means if there would be some additional impulse, I would took that trade, but that's reality, and that's why we ended this day with 98 USD of profit. Honestly, we could do more because, example for you with Ethereum, if I would keep it a little bit more, I would make not one, maybe 2,000-3,000. But still, that's example for you when you must be grateful that market gave you possibility to make money. Share with me in the comments, do you like when I share with you my trade secrets? And at this moment, subscribe and watch those lessons about our trading strategies to understand how to use it in the future and also make money with us. Thank you for your time, and bye, my friend.